Nigga, this here, that cocaine. Raw dope in it, they stepped on, give it that. And you feel that slow drain. Bitch, I can blow like Coltrane. Turn a little jet in the soul plane. White bitch, and she on white bitch, she could do a line. That's longer than Soul Train. Pull up in a brand new, all man. Got the same ass niggas like, all man. Got some niggas with me and we all gang. Best not step on my ball mains. I can show you niggas how to ball man. 20 bands like fuck it, that small change. Rifle with the scope and then go bang. Red dot on you, hit you niggas from a long range. The world is yours, got it from a blimp. The bitch and yours learned it from a pimp. Pull the bitch, that's without the limp. We all gon' eat Junie past shrimp. Smoking good Junie past split. Roll another for I ash shit. Mattress full of actresses. Foreign hoes like my accents. Seen and done it all, that's past tense. Give a fuck about this rap shit. Nothing nowadays amazes me. I'd have been there and done that shit. Rolling, I'm smoking my Doja, getting high by my lonesome. If you niggas want it, come and get it. Gang affiliated for niggas who want some.
Man, it's to the point now where a motherfucker from Missoula, Montana could tell you more about the hood than a nigga from the hood. Feel me? Can tell you about some crippin' and blood more than a nigga that's in that lifestyle. It's cause they got it under a microscope. They so fascinated, and it's so much of a phenomenon to them, and it's so entertaining to see us kill each other, and it's so exciting to them that, you know, they got it under a microscope. They damn near study everything a nigga do, from a nigga walk to a nigga talk to the type of music we do. And I ain't talking about black and white, I'm just talking about, you know, street and non-street, like, you know, gutter and suburb.
Beat hitting like 100 brawlers, loud louder than 100 haulers. Flow wavy like 100 waters, turn 100 cents to $100. In my city, I'm sunning niggas like I got the strength of 100 fathers. My life's a book with 100 crooks, I would probably need about 100 authors. Hit the hood always fresh as fuck, one nigga looking like 100 ballers. Hat, shirt, pants, shoes all matched, nigga looking like I bought 100 callers. You a fraud nigga, who ain't God? I deserve about 100 altars. Niggas cocky on Instagram, cause they page got about 100 followers. When your girl come in, she a walker. When your girl leave out, she a crawler. Shawty faithful to another nigga, but she mine forever every time I call her. Graduated school of hard knocks, gangsta hustler and a street scholar. Four straps when they start singing like Boys to Men, and that road it in. My flow dumb go stupid like it's a fool, and it shine and sparkle like it's a Jew. I got my ratchet and hammer like it's a tool, and my preach gon' teach you like it's a school. Look, I'm getting high, searching for the true God. Is there a heaven for the truth seeking youth, Lord?
Real recognize real, and a lot of you niggas don't look familiar. You look very unfamiliar. Yeah, these are familiar faces right here. Real niggas. Yeah. Huh?
Niggas that's familiar with
Just take a look at some dinosaurs, nigga. We dinosaurs, nigga. We extinct, nigga. They dug these bones up, nigga. Understand that? You dig?